Aretalis or Muntinga calabora, it is also known by many common names, including Jamaica cherry, Panaba berry, Singapore cherry, and various names in different language and regions of the Philippines, such as Mansanitas, Sarisa, and Sarisa.
Aratilis is a fast-growing, small tree or shrub, typically reaching height of 5 to 10 meters, 16 to 33 feet, though it can grow up to 12 meters, 39 feet. It has spreading branches and features. The leaves, hairy, sticky, alternate oblong-ovate to broadly oblong, lanceolate leaves, 8 to 13 centimeters long, with tough margins, a pointed apex, and an equal base.
Small, white flowers often solitary or in pairs with a long pedicels.
The fruit of Aratilis is small, round berries approximately 1.5 centimeter in diameter. They are green when unripe, turning orange to red when ripe. The ripe fruit has a juicy, sweet pulp with numerous tiny seeds. The taste is sweet, slightly tart, and similar to cotton candy. The bark can be used for making rope. The wood is durable and used for a rural construction. The Aratilis is a pioneer species that thrives in poor soil and tolerates various conditions, including acidic and alkaline soils and drought. It's often found in disturbed lowlands areas, galleries forests, roadsides, open grasslands, and mountains. Various parts of the plant have been used traditionally for medicinal purposes. The leaves and bark are used in decoctions to treat blood-streaked stool. Studies suggested antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and heart protective properties. It's used to treat gout, abdominal cramps, and headaches. The wood of Aratilis is used for constructions and the bark for rope making. In Malaysia, it's commercially harvested. The Aratilis is a pioneer species that helps improve soil quality and provides habitats and food for wildlife, including birds and insects.
Philippine biodiversity is important because it provides essential resources like food and medicine support our economy through tourism and fishing, and protect us from a natural disaster. Its unique plants and animals are irreplaceable, and losing them would bear devastating consequences for the country's environment and people.